Want to add a route on Waze and plan your trip before you start driving? In this video, I'll show you how to add a route on Waze step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main map, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Enter the address, place, or destination you want to travel to. When your destination appears, select it from the search results. Next, tap the routes option to see the available routes. Waze will show different routes based on current traffic and road conditions. Review the available options and choose the route you want to use. If you want another stop, select the option to add a stop. Search for the location and add it to your trip. Waze will then update your route with the additional stop. Finally, tap Go to begin navigation. And that's how to add a route on Waze. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.